God is good. All the time, God is good. No awang kayo nga members, awang kami dito yen. Kayo po ang pinaka-importante.
One of the activities of the 33rd General Assembly is to promote the vision and mission of Taman Banawi Multipurpose Cooperative to extend financial services to entrepreneurial poor to improve their quality of life.
Together, we have the power to shape the destiny of our cooperative and create a better tomorrow for generations to come.
We will make this assembly a family care day. So meron po tayong medical mission para sa mga miyembro, medicure, pedicure, libreng gupit. Libre po na pwedeng gamitin ng inyong mga kapamilya. Lahat ng amenities ng Tamaan Resort. Pwede nyo pong magamit yan ng libre.
Tamaan Tomas Entrepreneurship Award to promote and motivate itong maliliit na entrepreneur, booster their business. Our members should become millionaire one at a time. As this year, we have 36 awardees.
Halos amin nga branches yo apo ket sinursurme ken inaudit me. Awan iti haan anasayaat nga nakita ti auditor iti panagmaton ken panagturay dagitoy apo management ken opisyal iti kooperatiba tayo no may panggep iti finansya iti kooperatiba.
Yung iba magkaroon lang ng konting pera, nakakalimutan ng Diyos. Pero si Taman MPC, 5 billion in asset na, billionaire na, still, with God, Taman is nothing.
Yung spiritual importance ay hindi nawawala sa Taman. Yun ang nakikita ko, kaya sinusuportahan ko.
Tatangat tawon, ada iti tinarget tayo nga 5.3 billion pesos apo. So, agyaman kami, ken dagitoy ayan iti membros tayo, nga amok, nga very supportive, ijay ayan ti advocacy tayo, nga habit of savings.
One of our activity is the first Taman Painting Contest. And the participants came from 4 regions, Region 1, 2, 3, and CAR. And we have 160 participants. The main goal here is to harness the God-given gift talent of the youth.
Remember po yung vision ng ating founder, total eradication of poverty in the Philippines, starting with Tamaan Co-op, okay? And then our families, families to communities, communities to societies, collaboration hanggang buong Pilipinas, maging mayaman, wala nang mahirap.
Ang Tamaan Banawi Multipurpose Cooperative po ay isa sa naging top cooperatives or awardees ng Villar Foundation Poverty Reduction Awards.
Branches, 2
200 to 300,000 members across 10 provinces, ang number 1 billionaire cooperative ng Region 2 Kentientero nga Cordillera. Sipatan tayo, Tam-an Banawe, palakpakan.
My two lending hands with two different Tam-an BMPC passbook. It signifies that the children are future, and it's call for action to simply engage or teach our kids know how to save or to be financial literate so that we can have an amazing future together.
Talagang hindi lang dumadami ang membro nyo, pati na rin ang mga nagagawa nyo, hindi lang po para sa inyong bayan, kundi para sa buong Pilipinas at para sa buhay ng ating mga ibang kababayan ay pagtulong sa kapwa nating Pilipino ay talagang kahanga-hanga.